Hi friends, my name is Miss Scott and today I will be teaching you a lesson about animal traits and their habitats. Today we're going to be looking at a few different animals on this first slide to warm up, and I would like you to read over these questions and you can just answer them in your head, and if you're with a partner or you're in person in class, you can also turn and answer these with your group. Our first activity of the day is to act it out. I'm going to have you all stand up, and first one is to stretch your neck like a giraffe reaching for leaves. The second one, how about everyone waddle like a penguin? The third one, hop like a kangaroo. And fourth one, curl into your shell like a turtle. Good job. Okay, so today you'll be becoming scientists and storytellers. You will use Pixton to create a comic strip that teaches others how an animal has certain traits to help it survive in its habitat. We're going to read a story that teaches us about hermit crabs and their habitat. When reading along, take inspiration for your future comics. Now that we've finished the story, let's reflect on some questions. Let's take time to pause the video and go through these different questions, and you can either answer them to yourself or with a partner or your group. Our main activity for today's lesson is to make a comic strip on a wild animal and include information about their traits and their habitat and how they survive. The program we're going to be using is called Pixton. I'm sure that some of you have heard of it or maybe have even used it, but this video provides a lesson on how to use the software for your project. Feel free to pause and watch the video. This is the example that I decided to make for our class, and it's on the African bush elephant. Feel free to look at it and take inspiration. Notice that I did 3 slides. You're welcome to do more, but not less. Okay, now it is time for everyone to make their own Pixton comic strip. Everyone get out their computers and log in. Notice that there is a creatures tab where you can look at the real animals listed and choose one to brainstorm. You should take about 10 minutes to find your 5 facts about your animal, and then once you're done with all those facts, you'll have 45 minutes to work on your comic strip. And these are some guide questions that should be answered throughout your comic, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me or your partner. Once you have finished your comic strip, you will get in groups of 3 to 4, or just present to someone at home, or if you have no one to present to, just present out loud to yourself to practice presenting what you've created. And after each presentation, students will ask these questions about their peers' presentation. Each person can just choose one question to ask. Now that we've shared with our groups, we'll be having a class discussion. The first question is, why are different traits important for survival? Next question is, how do habitats affect living things? And third, how did creating a comic help explain science concepts? Okay, now that we've learned about animal habitats and traits, and more specifically about the animal that we chose today, you'll be filling out a Google form assessment that is linked here. You will have about 5 minutes to complete it. It's just 3 questions, and once you're done, just submit, and you're all done with the lesson. Thank you.